Everyone thinks the best-selling GPS trackers are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Landair C54 GPS Tracker. The Landair C54 GPS Tracker caught my eye right away, especially with its price point of just $14.95 and over 29,000 reviews boasting a solid 4.2-star rating. If you want a reliable GPS tracker that offers peace of mind without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. It's also equipped with geofencing, so you'll get alerts if your vehicle moves outside a designated area. Imagine knowing exactly where your car is at all times, especially if you're worried about theft or if a family member is borrowing it. Plus, it has a long battery life of up to 30 days, so you won't constantly be recharging it. With over 3,000 purchases in the last month and a lifetime warranty, it's clear that many people trust this product. Now some people complained about the need for a subscription, starting at $9.95 a month. Here's the thing though, for the features and peace of mind you get, many feel it's worth it. It's not a deal breaker if you're serious about keeping tabs on your vehicle. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and reliable tracking solution. Skip this one if you're looking for a feature-rich device that doesn't require a subscription. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if that subscription part bothered you, this next one might actually be even better for your needs. Product number 2, Tracky GPS Tracker. Next up is the Tracky GPS Tracker, priced at $12.74. With a 4.1-star rating from 42,900 reviews, it's another great option. If you need a compact, versatile tracker that can go anywhere, this device is worth a serious look. What's special about this device is its ability to work with GPS, Bluetooth, and 4G LTE. This means you'll have accurate location updates no matter where you are, even in covered areas like garages or city centers. It's designed to be discreet, measuring just about 1.78 by 1.58 inches, so you can easily attach it to your vehicle without anyone noticing. The battery life is flexible too. It runs up to 5 days in real-time mode or can stretch to 60 days in battery-saving mode. For anyone concerned about keeping track of multiple vehicles or assets, this is a game changer. However, some users have mentioned the battery life could be longer for regular use. But honestly, if you're using it for short trips, it's not a deal breaker. Just charge it when you know you'll need it again. This is perfect for you if you have multiple vehicles and need a reliable tracking solution that's easy to install. Skip this one if you want a tracker with an extended battery life for longer-term use. For what you get, it's an excellent value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for consistent tracking needs. Product number 3, Optimus Wired GPS Tracker. The Optimus Wired GPS Tracker comes in at $19.95 and has a 4.5-star rating from nearly 2,000 reviews. If you want something that integrates directly with your vehicle's battery, this is worth a serious look. What's cool is its hardwired installation means you get real-time tracking every 30 seconds. This is perfect for those who want very precise monitoring of their vehicle's movements. You'll also receive instant alerts about movement, speeding, and even aggressive driving behavior, which can be great for monitoring teen drivers or fleet vehicles. With a flexible subscription model starting at just $12.95 a month, there are no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're paying for. Now, some people found the installation a bit tricky, especially if they're not comfortable with wiring. But here's the thing, once it's set up, you'll have a reliable tracker that doesn't need constant charging or battery changes, making it a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you prefer a hardwired solution for your vehicle. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with installation or prefer a portable tracker. Given its features and cost, it's a pretty good value. Now, if that hardwired part sounds daunting, the next product is super easy to set up and offers great flexibility. Product number 4, Cube Pro GPS Tracker. Next, we have the Cube Pro GPS Tracker, priced at $59.99 and boasting a 4.5-star rating from over 346 reviews. If you want a tracker with a long-lasting battery, this is worth a serious look. This tracker stands out because it has a built-in battery that lasts up to an incredible 1 year on a single charge. Plus, it's IP67 waterproof, which means you don't have to worry about it getting wet during bad weather. This tracker is excellent for monitoring cars, trucks, or even trailers. It also offers geofencing, so you can set boundaries and get alerts when those boundaries are crossed. Sharing tracking access across multiple devices is a bonus for families or businesses. However, some users expressed concern about the higher price compared to other options. But I'll be real with you, if you're looking for something that's low maintenance and can last a long time, the investment is worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a set-it-and-forget-it tracker for multiple vehicles. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget-friendly option or prefer a subscription-free service. It's a solid value for its longevity. Now, if you're looking for something compact and discreet, the next tracker might be right up your alley. Product number 5, Tracky Pro GPS Tracker. Lastly, we have the Tracky Pro GPS Tracker, priced at $22.41 with a 4.3-star rating from over 3,500 reviews. If you're after a compact yet powerful tracking device, this is worth a serious look. This tracker has a strong magnet, which makes it easy to attach under your vehicle so that it's virtually undetectable. Plus, it's waterproof and works in over 180 countries. This is perfect for international travelers or those with vehicles that are often on the move. Some users reported issues with setup, but here's the thing. Once you get through the initial setup, the functionality is great. It's compact, making it easy to hide, and it's perfect for anyone wanting discreet tracking. This is perfect for you if you need a compact tracker that's easy to conceal. Skip this one if you prefer a device with longer battery life for continuous use. For the features it offers, it's a solid choice. In conclusion, each of these trackers caters to different needs, from affordable options to those with long battery life and hardwired solutions. No matter what your tracking needs are, there's definitely something here for you. To wrap it up, we've covered the Landair C54, Tracky, Optimus Wired, Cube Pro, and Tracky Pro. Each one has its strengths, whether it's affordability, battery life, or ease of installation. No matter what your specific needs are, at least one of these should fit the bill. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find the perfect GPS tracker for your car.